Hey guys, thanks for checking out Subaru Liberty that just arrived. This one here is a one owner fleet vehicle with fantastic history. You've got front park sensor, projector headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels, 360 degree camera, and as you can see, all the leather's in pristine condition throughout. It's still even got the plastic trimming protectors over the Subaru logos. Sunroof as well, coming through into the back. The leather trim on this car is in excellent condition. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, rear parking sensors, LED rear tail lights. Coming down to the side, it's in great condition all around. We can do full walk around videos, which will pinpoint any particular questions you might have in regards to this car. Got your full seat memory just over here, full electrics, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, 64,000 Ks, adaptive cruise, all your audio controls and Bluetooth. As you can see through here, it's in great condition with plenty of features, auto dimming rear view mirror, and much more. We look forward to speaking to you soon.